Hi and welcome to AppTro. Let me ask you something. Are you sending the same messages to all your app users and hoping it somehow works for everyone? Because if you are, you might be spending big and still losing users who would have converted if the message just felt right. See, the problem isn't your product, it's not your campaign either. It's that you're talking to a crowd when what you really need is a conversation. That's where audience segmentation comes in. In today's video, I'm going to break down what segmentation means for app marketers, why it's critical for performance, and how AppTrope makes it incredibly easy to segment, personalize, and grow, all from one place. Let's get to it. Let's break it down. Audience segmentation is the process of dividing your users into smaller, more specific groups based on things like in-app behavior, location, device, time of interaction, and so much more. It sounds simple, but the impact? Huge. Because once you know who you are seeking to, you can tailor what you say, when you say it, and how they receive it. And that's what makes users stick around. Not generic blasts, not guesswork, just relevance. Let's say you run a shopping app. One user just installed the app this morning and browsed a few categories. Another has made 3 purchases in the last month but hasn't opened your app in a week. Would you send them the same message? Of course you would. With smarter segmentation, you might send the new user to a welcome discount, nudge the repeat buyer with a loyalty reward, or re-engage someone inactive with something tailored to their past behavior. And with AppTrope, you don't have to manually track or guess these patterns. We do it for you. Here's how it works inside AppTrope. You can create dynamic, real-time segments using live user behavior, not just old analytics or static data. Want to target all users from Delhi who abandoned their cart in the last 24 hours? Users who opened the app 3 times in the last week but haven't purchased? Users on iPhones who completed a certain level in your gaming app? Done. It takes seconds. No dev support, no technical roadblocks, just intuitive filters and ready-to-use sequence. But segmentation doesn't just help you target better. It helps you understand better. It shows you which users are driving the most revenue, who is likely to churn, what kind of behavior leads to convergence, and how to guide different cohorts through tailored journeys. When you know your audience at this level, your entire marketing strategy changes. Instead of wondering why retention is low or ROAS is dropping, you start identifying exactly which segment needs attention and what action will move the needle. And the best part? Once you've created your segments inside AppTrope, you can connect them instantly to your favorite marketing tools. Push notifications, email journeys, ad networks, retargeting platforms, everything syncs seamlessly. So you can launch smarter campaigns without switching tabs or losing time. Look, it's tempting to think more installs or more spend will fix your performance. But often the real opportunity lies in what you already have. You already have users. What you need is to know them better, to engage them better, to build meaningful touchpoints that feel personal, not promotional. That's what great segmentation unlocks. It makes every message count. And when you combine that with the right timing, the right channel, and the right context, you stop interrupting and start connecting. At AppTrope, we have made sure audience segmentation isn't just powerful, it's practical. Here's what you can do right now. Discover your high-value users, reactivate users before they churn, personalize onboarding based on first session behavior, deliver location or time-specific campaigns, track which cohorts drive convergence, and optimize in real time. All of that from one unified dashboard. Audience segmentation isn't optional anymore. It's the foundation of every smart app marketing strategy today. So if you are ready to stop guessing and start knowing your user, try AppTrope. Because when you talk to the right audience at the right time, growth isn't just possible, it's inevitable. Start your free trial today at apptrope.com or book a 1:1 walkthrough with our team to explore what segmentation could look like for your app. And hey, If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and follow us on socials for more smart mobile pro strategies. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one.